Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Crafty Cage. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how can you make DIY Rakhi at home. So yeah guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get started. For this craft, you will need ball chain and stone chain, some small stone and a bigger stone of the same size, silk thread, Fevicol, a pen, or you guys can use toothpick also, a circle out of the cardstock of radius 2.5 centimeter, and a scissor. So yeah guys, let's get started. So guys, first of all you have to make the dory for the Rakhi. So for this you have to just take the silk thread and you have to wrap it 20 to 30 times like this on this book. So guys, I have wrapped it 20 to 30 times. Now you have to just cut it out from here. So guys, now what it is just collapsed. Now you have to put some glue and spread it up like this. So guys, once the glue is dried, now what you have to do is to put this into the cardboard. So guys, I'm putting it like this, and now what you have to do is to fix it. And now you have to make a braid of it. So I'm going to dividing it into the 3 equal parts like this and like this. So now you have to just make the braid. If you don't have a silk thread, you guys can also use a normal thread. So yeah, like this you have to make the braid. And you have to do this till the end. So guys, once your full braid is done, now what you have to do is you have to just tie a knot over here. So guys, I have done this on both sides. Now I'm going to do this on the same first side. So guys, your dory is done. Now we have to make the Rakhi. So guys, now I'm taking the cardstock circle. Over this I'm going to paste this stone first. So guys, once you have pasted this stone, now what I'm going to do is to put some glue like this. Now I'm adjusting it to the center, and now I'm going to paste this ball chain. Now I'm going to cut the excess. So guys, you can use this pen to adjust this chain like this. So now guys, I'm going to put glue in the circular way like this. And now what I'm going to do is to paste this stone chain. Here also I'm going to cut the excess. So guys, now what I'm going to do is to put some more glue like this. And now I'm going to put some more ball chain. This is short, so I'm going to put another one. So yeah, now I'm going to cut the excess. So guys, now I'm going to put some more glue. And now I'm going to paste the ball stone chain again. Over here, and now cutting off the excess. So guys, now it's the final step. I'm going to put some glue at the outer corner like this. And now I'm going to paste these little stones. So guys, there you have to take some glue and put it on the tip of your pen. You guys can also use the toothpick. Now you have to paste these stones like this over here. I'm using the pen for this purpose, like this. Take some more glue and paste the stones. So guys, now the front part of your Rakhi is ready. So guys, you have to let it dry for some time. And yeah guys, when it is dried, you have to just take some Fevicol and paste it at the center of this dory. So yeah guys, I have pasted it at the center of the dory, and as you guys can see, it's looking super cute. So yeah guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So yeah guys, until then, goodbye and happy Raksha Bandhan in advance.